Hello everyone, let's today see how to install Docker on Windows. We'll go to the following website, and we are currently on the Windows operating system, so we'll select Docker Desktop for Windows. Click on this, it will ask me to download the installer. This should not take much of your time, and we should be having the latest version of Docker Desktop in a downloads folder. These are the system requirements that we have to make sure that we have on our systems. So this system is actually meeting all the requirements, and we'll go to the location and I'll right click and run as administrator. So this should give me a prompt. I'll say yes, and this should now begin the installation of the Docker Desktop. This is a community edition that would get added, and so this has started to unpack all the images on the files. Right, if you see that there is an ISO image that's being deployed, and once the installation completes, we should be able to use Docker. So let's wait for the installation to complete. So as we see, the installation completed successfully. Use this prompt. In the tray, we should see Docker currently. If it's not running, so we should go there and start the Docker application. So once you start Docker, you would get this terms and conditions page. You would have to accept it. Once we accept it, the Docker engine should start running, and we would be able to see things very soon. So we click. If you want to have an easy tour of the Docker, you could start the tour, or you could skip the tutorial, and we could run this initial Docker command, right? And this would help us run a Docker setup. Once the image is pulled and the service is running, we should be able to see this in the local host. So now let's go to local host on port 80, and this is something which we have just got from the Docker Desktop itself. So this is our first container. We just ran it. We mapped the container to port 80 of our host to port 80 of the container, and this is actually running the getting started thing. We are using localhost to access this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share the video. Thank you.